Lisa and welcome back to What the Bake. This week we will be making my Halloween Rocky Road Brownies. They're delicious, they're decadent, they have some Oreos in it. Let's get started. Now these aren't just normal brownies. To fit with the Halloween theme, we are actually going to be adding some royal icing googly eyes. Now the royal icing needs a little bit of time to set, so we're going to start with that first. We will start by adding egg whites in a large mixing bowl and mixing them for a couple minutes. We are looking for a nice frothy consistency. To stabilize the mixture, we will add some cream of tartar and after that, add the icing sugar. We will mix the mixture for about 5 minutes. We first want to make sure that all the icing is well combined, but we also want to make sure that the icing mixture thickens up. This will make it easier to pipe a little bit later on. When the mixture is nice and thick, we can add a little bit of lemon juice. Our googly eyes are going to be 2 different colors. Divide the mixture into thirds. 2/3 of the white icing will immediately go into a piping bag, while we will place the rest in a mixing bowl. Add a little bit of black food coloring and mix until well combined. And now we are ready to pipe the googly eyes. On a flat surface, place some baking paper. And then start piping your googly eyes. I made some of mine big and some of mine small. I used a toothpick to make sure that all the eyes were nice and round and that there were no air bubbles. And then to finish off the googly eyes, we can use our black royal icing. Don't these just look super cute? Next, we're going to move on to the Oreo crust. In a food processor, we will add the Oreos. Blitz them until they're nice and fine. In a mixing bowl, add the crushed Oreo, melted butter, and a little bit of honey. Use a rubber spatula to mix all the ingredients. Next, we will prepare our baking pan by lining it with baking paper. Add the crushed Oreos for the base and smooth it out using your rubber spatula. Now we can start with the brownie mixture. In a small bowl, add your butter and your milk chocolate chips. Melt in the microwave until it is silky and smooth, but remember to be careful not to burn the chocolate. In a separate mixing bowl, we will add the eggs and the sugar and then mix until they are well combined. And then we can add our flour, salt, vanilla, and chopped hazelnuts. Lastly, we can add the melted chocolate and butter mixture. Mix well using your rubber spatula. Fill your baking pan with this delicious mixture and then bake in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Lastly, we can add the toppings. We're going to start by first covering our brownie with melted chocolate. Then we can add some mini marshmallows. Aren't they cute? Next, we will sprinkle some chopped hazelnuts, sprinkles, and some more sprinkles. To make the marshmallows nice and chewy, we can use a kitchen blowtorch. If you don't have one, you can put your brownies in the oven for about 5 minutes, just until the marshmallows start melting. Don't forget to add a few extra chocolate chips. The final touch is adding these adorable royal icing googly eyes. You can add as little or as much as you want. And there you guys have it, my Halloween Rocky Road Brownies with the super cute googly eyes. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I hope you have a wonderful, spooky Halloween month.